very difficult to stop him. But as mentioned, not the first time in this competition that Sipho has stood firm against Sipho Mbule. I'm standing alongside a former Mamelodi Sundowns player, now Orlando Pirates, and we could see by the celebration after you scored your penalty, Khuri, this one means a whole lot to you.
Before I start,
what are you saying to us, Sipho? What are you telling us?
I think the sign says everything. You can see now almost. Yeah, no. I think with the penalties that we went, we know how Ronwen is with penalties. He's a very good goalkeeper. I think #1 in South Africa. So I think with the penalties, they had to put the power behind the ball and place it at the right corner. I think that's what most of our players did.
Take us through the game then, as you saw it on the sideline before you came on and made an impression.
I think when we came here, we knew that they were going to be strong, and we know their qualities almost each and every player. I mean, the Sundowns, they have the best players, but as we have the best players also. I think it was the matter of managing the game, and we told ourselves that even if they score one, we're still in the game. Even if they score two, we're still in the game. But I think it's the work rate of everybody and the technical team and everybody, and the Orlando Pirates family and the Orlando Pirates supporters.
Tell me about your role then in this team, particularly at this early stage of the season.
My role here is just like everyone's role. We support each other when things are tough. We don't give up on each other. We help each other through tough times. I think even the senior players that are here that I found here, Toki, CBC, Nda, and them, even when they're not playing, I think they're supporting other players. I think it's a good relationship between the players and also the technical team.
Before I let you go, tell me about yet another one of the new faces at Orlando Pirates, Kamosibelebele. He seems to have settled in extremely quickly.
Do you know that Kasongo animal? Kasongo, that boy is quick. And I think he's a quality player also. And we're happy to have him here at Orlando Pirates.
Congratulations, see you in the final.
Thank you, Baba.
I have no idea what that means, but those who do, perhaps they will pick exactly what Sipho Mbule was dropping in that regard. But that's a big headline then here at the Lucas Moripe Stadium. The Orlando Pirates fans, which seemed to outnumber the Mamelodi Sundowns fans, are still here. They continue to sing, they continue to celebrate yet another final in the MTN8, a fifth in the last 6 seasons. And it might have come through penalties, it might have come through some hardships at this early stage of the season, particularly with how a new coach had started. But they now have an opportunity to, over the next couple of weeks, look forward to yet another cup final, which will be an 8th in the last 4 and a bit seasons. A remarkable record for this particular football club. We'll see if it's going to be Stellenbosch or indeed Sekhukhune that are going to be joining them in that final. And speaking of joining me, I'm going to be in the next couple of